Good morning, friends of Unity. My name's Meghann, and I'll be reading to you from the Kindness book today. Let's get started. What is kindness? Kindness is thinking about people's feelings and helping them feel good. Being kind makes you feel good too. Look at her fun pigtails. Kindness is reading a bedtime story to someone you love. It looks like maybe her grandma or her mom. Kindness is taking care of your community. You can take little treats to dogs, food to the food bank. Kindness is holding the door open for someone. Look at the cute little mice. Kindness is listening. Kindness is keeping others safe. The cute little ducks crossing the road. Kindness is free. That's a good one. Kindness is being there when someone needs you. We're probably doing a lot of that right now, huh? Being home together. Kindness is taking care of yourself. It looks like me. I took a 2-hour nap the other day in the middle of the day. Kindness is helping things grow. Kindness is saying something nice. Looks like the student saying, "Thank you for being my teacher." Can you imagine having a dinosaur for a teacher? Kindness is not hurting someone's feelings. And kindness is saying sorry if you accidentally do. Says, sorry, let's be friends. Be kind to yourself. This one's really important. Kindness is remembering everyone's feelings are important. Kindness is welcoming someone new to the family. Look at that skunk is visiting the pigs. I bet we'll all be excited when we can welcome someone into our home. Kindness is giving a bug a hug. Okay, now that's extra silly. Kindness is saying hello to someone new. Kindness is saying thank you to those who help others. We especially want to say thank you to all of the people out there working still, right? And kindness is being nice to animals. It's easy to be kind. Anyone out there love smooches from their poochers? We do in our house. There are many ways to be kind. Don't forget to be kind to yourself. The end. Love, Todd. Thank you so much for sharing this time with me. I look forward to reading stories with you again.